In this lesson, we will learn name of the colors in French. I will explain one by one with perfect pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's go. You can repeat after me. Okay. Now first is rouge, rouge, orange, 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 jaune, jaune, vert, 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 bleu, bleu, violette, 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 rose, 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 noir, 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 blanc, blanc, gris, 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 marron, 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 doré, doré, doré. Now you know the name of the colors, but if you want to ask what color is the table, how will you ask in French? So let's see. For example, we can say de quelle couleur est la table? De quelle couleur est la table? So in answer you can say la table est noire. La table est noire. De quelle couleur est le livre? De quelle couleur est le livre? Le livre est vert. Le livre est vert. Okay? Now, the assignment of this lesson is write 5 questions and answer with de quelle couleur. For example, de quelle couleur est la table? So in answer you know la table est noire. So write same but different object's name. But be careful while you are using the name of the colors. You have to use according to noun, masculine or feminine or plural form. Hope you understand. See you in the next lesson. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.